Hey, oh my god, I look like a shit. Okay, so obviously my hair is like, you know, it's a little crunchy crusty. I need to get my curls back like right away. My favorite thing in the world to get my curls back is OLAPLEX. I used to be the girly that really only used the mask from OLAPLEX, but now that I've been, well, now they sent me their full entire line, which I am so freaking grateful for. Thank you so much if you like watch my videos, comment on my videos, everything. Like, oh, I can't believe that they sent it to me. I've been talking about them for years, so it's like, I'm so grateful. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner. I am also filming like literally 3 videos at a time, so that's why I don't have any makeup on. I'm gonna do a DIY lash video, hair video, film a podcast. It's just a content day. So let's get into it. I'll be back whenever I finish washing my hair. Oh, I forgot. I am also gonna try this one, which I've never tried before. It's a clarifying shampoo, and this is really good for the curly girls that use like a lot of really heavy products. Something that a lot of people miss about curly hair is when you're using like all these buttery, oily products, it's really good for your curls, but after a while, it can just weigh down your hair. And especially when you're not using like a real clarifying shampoo, your curls will just start to drop and drop and drop, and then you'll be like, wait, but I'm using all the right products, why are my curls not popping? It's because it has a lot of buildup on your hair and you need something like a clarifier. I can list a few other clarifiers that are really good, but I'm gonna try this one. I'll let you know how it goes. Oh, I also wanted to say that this is not sponsored at all. They did send it to me, but I would literally buy these products with my own money before for the past like 3 years. This is my favorite thing to use. I can leave some other suggestions if you want like different brands that I would recommend, but honestly OLAPLEX is my top favorite. So not spons, just love them. Okay, so before I wash my hair, I actually wanted to do the OLAPLEX treatment. I'm gonna be using the number 0 and the number 3, and I just had to film a lash video, that's why I came back with lashes. Okay, so first I use the number 0 and just spray it on my hair in sections. You don't need a lot because it gets your hair pretty wet. Oh god, what happened? Okay, and then right on top of that, you do the number 3. And this is the bonding treatment. I focus it more towards my ends. Since I've been posting on YouTube Shorts, I've made so many new friends with the girlies that follow me on YouTube. Like, I've met so many online, just like you guys that have the same struggles as I do with the curly hair. And I feel like us curly hair girls, we're just bonded. Like, we're automatically bonded because we have gone through the same life struggles. Like, I don't know what it is. Anytime I meet a person with curly hair, textured hair, whatever, like as soon as we start talking, we're just bonded. It's like the curl bond. I can't even describe it, but if you know, you know. It's been about 3, maybe 2 weeks since I've started using like all of the OLAPLEX line on my hair, and I honestly have to say that like I feel like my hair is growing and it just looks so much thicker than usual. I don't know what it is about it. I'm also like on a huge hair growth journey. I have been for about a year now, but I still cut my hair a lot is the only thing, and I really just do that to keep it healthy. Since we are like the curly girls, I feel like curly girls, we go through so much with our hair, and if you have like any tips for other curly girls, leave them in the comments. I feel like that one video I had, we were all just like helping each other and giving each other advice, which I think is so cute. So continue that in this thread of this video because I feel like the curly girls, we all like just need help, you know what I mean? So I am going to leave this in my hair for 10 minutes and then wash it out. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair and I'm using a little t-shirt to dry it because you just know, gotta use the t-shirt. I'm only gonna be using 2 products in my hair. They're the OLAPLEX ones. Number 6. Okay guys, if you were to get anything from OLAPLEX, number 6 is the one you need. Trust me, especially if you like to blow out your hair, use heat, and even if you wear your hair natural, this one is so perfect. I swear, even whenever I was just using this, it made my hair so much more curly. So this one's really great. This is gonna be my first time trying this one, and it's the Bond Protector, just like this one, but it's a serum. So I think I'll put this one on before I put this one. I stopped being particular about like going crazy with putting a lot of product in my hair because these days I just really like a more relaxed vibe. I don't like to, oh, dang it. I don't like to put a lot of stuff in my hair because I just don't want to be overwhelmed. Also, I feel like the less I put in my hair, the easier it is to refresh throughout the week. Ooh, okay, the consistency of the serum is like, it looks like gel, but softer. Okay, and then I'm using this brush from Crave Naturals. This one was actually sent to me, not by the brand, but by a different brand. I don't know why they inserted this brush, but I love it. I'm so thankful that they did because I love it. It's like a really good wet brush. Okay, so see how like my curls are already popping out, honey? I probably am not going to finger coil my hair or anything, just so you guys can see the actual true results without like really encouraging the curl. I'll just brush it out and then I'll let it air dry. I'm gonna film the rest of my podcast. Well, I'm gonna start to film my podcast, and then by hopefully the time I'm done recording, it'll be dry, and then I can show you guys what it looks like. I also love using this number 6 because of the way it smells. Like, I know no other product that smells this good. I know I sound like crazy because I'm just like going off about how much I love Olaplex, but I feel like once you try it, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about because it's so good. Follow me on Instagram because I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway of a few Olaplex products because I want you guys to be able to try it, to know what I'm talking about. And I also want to give away some of my art. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link in my description. Follow me on all the socials though. Okay, look at how much my curls are like wanting to pop out. All right, my hair is gonna air dry. I'll be back. Okay, here are the results. Close up. My hair is tiny bit wet. I can tell a little bit in the back, but pretty much dry almost all the way. My hair feels so soft. Oh, I forgot one other product. The Olaplex oil is so good. This is another ride or die product that I just love, 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 love. And it smells so good. If you are going to only get 1 or 2 products, the number 6 is really good, and then this oil. I would say if you just start out with these, you'll probably be hooked and want to get the rest, but the oil and serum, the leave-in and oil will seriously be good enough to change your hair. Like, I swear, after just a little bit of using it, you'll notice a difference in your hair. Like right now, my hair is just getting so long and I feel like I need a haircut. I know I do, but I don't know, my curls are thriving. Like the past few weeks, I've been straightening my hair a lot, but I honestly don't even get worried because I use Olaplex, like swear. Like this one, whenever you use it and you're blow drying your hair and straightening your hair, you're literally protected when you have this. But yeah, if you guys are gonna try Olaplex, I have all the links for everything. Again, this is not sponsor. I just like am obsessed with Olaplex. I love what they can do to my hair, my curls. If you're looking for something to make your hair curly again, if it went through some damage, try Olaplex, it's really good. But I'll see y'all in the next video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye!